X Junior. Oh wow, did you see that? The Nepean River, also known as Yandi by one of the local Urinkirik Aboriginal tribes, is a major perennial river located in the southwest and west of Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. The Nepean and associated mouth, the Hawkesbury River, almost encircles the entire region of metropolitan Sydney. The Nepean was first encountered by British Marine officer Lieutenant General Watkin Trench in 1788 and was named after British politician and colonial administrator Sir Evan Nepean. The Nepean was also one of the pivotal sites of the Hawkesbury-Nepean Wars, which was a series of local wars between the Kingdom of Great Britain and the residing local Aboriginal tribes in the late 1700s and early 1800s. The river is around 178 kilometres long and spans through Sydney Basin, Southern Highlands, Macarthur and the Greater Western Sydney. It also has multiple tributaries, some of which being the Erskine Creek, Breakfast Creek and Burke River. The river is also known for its flooding, one of which was the June 1867 floods, which the river was estimated to reach the height of 13.4 metres and 27.4 metres on land. The headwaters of the Nepean rise near Robinson, about 100 kilometres south of Sydney and about 15 kilometres from the Tasman Sea. The system includes such species as European carp, mullet, Macquarie perch, silver perch, rainbow trout and the Australian bass, which will be our target species for today. We are down at the Nepean River. Well, I was going to bring my drone today, but it's windy as. That other side is full of cicadas, but it's the sunny side. There's a lot of people fishing here. You can see. Alright, Timco soft shell. Literally, what I was doing the other day. I was just casting like that, just in the snags. Just trying to get them in the shade. And saying that there wasn't a lot of wind. And I wasn't even really walking them. I was just like buzzing them on the surface, just tweaking. So I was using MegaBass Grand Siglett. What's wrong with this? It doesn't seem to be. That's spinning. It's spinning. I am not happy with the way that is going. There is like 7 sets of people up here. It just kind of sucks. Okay. We'll try the cheapy one. The sticky ass. I just want to see if it's gonna pulsate properly. Because they don't really open, these cheaper ones. You see, they're not really opening. It's like you got to really push them open so they stay open, which I don't mind doing, but see, they don't really do anything. We'll give the cheapy one a run. Whoa. I'm gonna head up this way. I have to put up with everyone else, which is gonna suck. I'm not really looking forward to. What I might do, my tanko's spinning because I've got oh, see, that's what I mean. That's, oh, there it is there. Didn't even move, didn't even tweak it, it just landed. Oh, the other one up there, like nothing, I didn't even do anything, I literally just landed the lure and it got just fucking smashed. I do have everything I spin about. Oh, oh. I was just looking up. Like I wasn't even. He's a bit better than the other day. First one for the session. Not the biggest, a little bit bigger than what we're getting the other day, but you're not really gonna complain. Oh yeah. Well, main thing, we're on the board. I tried there yesterday, there's nothing, there's mainly just crazy amounts of mozzies to I don't think. You still filming? Yeah. Pushing one. I got what MegaBass dog X juniors and stuff in there. Because we're not really trying to cover ground. So we might get to a spot where I'm gonna put on a dog X junior. Oh wow! Did you see that? How close was that guy on the bank? And there is number two. Number two. Wait a minute. Alright. Back to what I was saying. Wait up on my pliers, isn't it? They come from, like, they're basically on the banks. And they would just sit there and wait for little bugs and creatures and frogs and lizards and cicadas and insects to either land there, fall in, or swim across. Casting cicadas at bloody bridges. Oh, dude, are you kidding, mate? Oh. Literally just went past the sign saying beware of snakes. Whoa, fuck. And I thought that was one already. Fucking stick. Oh, it's a bird. It's ducks. That would be covered in them. Yeah, no. Yeah. No. Oh, yes! Oh, no! Oh, it's back. Please eat it. Love you. Oh, no. Great. Mozzie's water dragon. Bass. So they definitely are hitting Cicadas. Oh! Don't know. Oh! Oh no. There's no way. It won't come back a third time, there's no way. If these had 2 trebles on it, oh, it did. It's just oh, you just need one. It's just there. Okay, I'm just gonna have to get down because it's just there. It's just there. Let's say it's swimming on the bottom. It must have felt treble. If these had 2 trebles on, I would have got that. Fucking water dragons. Piss off, man. Fucking thing. There's a bigger one there. Ah, oh, fuck off. Oh, yes. Oh. Ready, buddy? Always worth it. Ready? Big old eight. And he's off. Straight, right back under. So this might look a lot different to the way I usually do outros. As I mentioned in my previous edit, I'm currently moving down to Penrith. That's why I'm fishing the Nepean and mainly targeting bass now. I don't really have anywhere to do these outros or even any intros or just like little normal vlogging bits, so this little section, random bits or just around the room, or that's going to be it until we get set up and I can figure out where I'm actually going to do it. Apart from that, I'm no bass expert by any means. I've got basic knowledge on them. I've never really caught them on anything else except topwater, mainly because I'm a bream angler and I don't really bother chasing anything apart from bream, maybe the occasional flatty or dewy or kingy, but I only ever really do well on flatties. Kingies and dewies are my forte, so I stick with bream, but we'll be moving down to Penrith with my fiance and daughter, so there will be a lot more bass content coming up, mainly on the Nepean. So hey, if you live around the Penrith Nepean area and you want to meet up for a fish, or like even if you vlog and do YouTube yourself and want to collaborate, just hit me up down below or in one of my socials, like, you know, in the comments, whatever. Just, you know, just meet some like-minded people would be good, just to get out and go fishing with people down here. I don't really know the area too well, so you can take what you want from this video. When it comes to bass and cicadas, close to structure, close to shore, like with the trees, like I basically look directly up. Wherever there I see an overhanging tree, even if it's out 20 metres, 15 metres, and it's like hanging over the water, there's probably going to be a fish there somewhere waiting for a bug to drop. They will kind of clue into where stuff drops in. It's pretty simple. I'm being a bream angler trying to convert over to bass. I don't really walk my cicadas like paddle them across. I will twitch them underneath the surface, just like a cicada dropping and landing, and just like vibrating and buzzing on the surface. I will walk them in like if I'm working along a section of bank, I'll do like say a horizontal cast along the bank and slowly walk them back towards me. But apart from that, I just get them close to structure underneath the tree and just buzz them on the surface, and then I'll do a slow walk. Apart from that, it's pretty simple stuff. It's fun. I can't wait to do more of it. Yeah, the custom I've got in there, it says that the custom cicada, the blank, there was literally just some random crap I ordered off the internet. I forget what website it was off. It was just some cheap crap, and painted it black and just got some red paint and painted the butt red, and that's it. And they work. They don't walk the best. They're pretty crap, and you constantly got to fold the wings back out. But apart from that, if you don't want to lose a $30 Siglett like I did to a tree, because apparently I run too light, which yes, I know a lot of you seasoned bass fishers are like, you're running 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Mind you, bream angler, I'm used to running 2, 3, 4, max 5. I hardly even ran 6 for bream. That was way too heavy for me. I was pulling bream out of snags on 4. So running 6 and 8 to me is heavy. Yes, I'm probably going to upgrade to 12, 14, and maybe even 15, 20 for some swim bait and stuff. Maybe, but like for now, until I stock up, it's going to be 6 and 8. And I know you're going to be like, it's too light, and people, if you're getting into bass fishing, remember, I'm not no bass expert by any means, I just know the basics from it. So you can take some bits from this edit and probably put it to use, but there definitely, I would look into it more, like start at running 10 or 12, especially if you're throwing $30 lures. Like I used to throw $40, $50 like Gancraft claws on 4 pound across flats for bream. I've lost a lot of money. A lot, and the missus does not like that. So to save yourself some cash and save yourself from getting in crap, up your leader and your main a bit. But for now, I'm running 6 and 8. Apart from that, hope you enjoyed the edit. I had to go work on another one and try and keep this flow going, because we're on a roll. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, stay safe, stay humble, and go get them chunks. Fuck.